Hi, boys and girls. How are you today? Are you ready for your math lesson? We are going to be doing lesson 51. You'll need your green workbook out to page 135. So if everyone could turn to page 135 in your workbook and find part 1. So for part 1, we are going to review the transitivity rule. And so if you touch A, we're going to read the statements for A. It says M is more than V and 15 is more than M. Listen, one of the values is in both statements. You're going to write that as the middle value. What is the middle value for A? Did you say M? Good job. Now, which value is more than M? Did you say 15? Good. And which value is less than M? Did you say V? Great. And here's what A should look like. Okay? Touch problem B. Work problem B. Write the 3 values on the top line. And below that, write the statement that does not have the middle value. Go ahead and do that. And check it. So T was in both, therefore T was the middle value. 25 was less, 27 was more, and then you're comparing without the middle value, the small number and the big number. Okay? All right, touch problem C, work problem C. Write the 3 values on the top line, and then below that, write the statement that does not have the middle value. Go ahead and write down C. Here's what you should have. R was in both statements, so that's the middle number. 10 is less than R. 13 is more than R. And then you're comparing without the middle value, so you're comparing the 10 to the 13. Okay, good job. Listen, next we're going to work on comparison sentences. So things that weigh more are heavier. Someone who weighs 90 pounds is heavier than someone who weighs 80 pounds. Which is heavier, 88 pounds or 77 pounds? Yes, 88 pounds. Which is heavier, 130 pounds or 131 pounds? 131 pounds. Good. Touch part 2 in your workbook. You're going to make number families for sentences that tell about more or less. So, touch sentence A. Jem was 14 pounds lighter than Heidi. How many pounds more or less? What number? 14. Add the 14 to the family. And then let's read without the 14. And it says Jem was lighter. So is Jem, J, the small number or the big number? The small number. And so then is Heidi, H, would be the big number, yeah? Go ahead and check that. Here's the number that tells how many more or less. Here's the one who's lighter, Jem. Here's the one who's heavier, Heidi. All right, touch sentence B. Listen. The car was 11 years older than the truck. Which was older? The car. Which was newer? The truck. So, which is going to be the big number? The car. Go ahead and make your family. And check it. Here's the number that tells how many more or less. And since the truck is newer, that means it's younger, it's smaller, and the car is older, meaning it's more, right? Okay, good job. For the next part, we are going to look at some addition using the ruler. Okay, so here's a ruler that shows inches. The ruler has a shaded part right here and an unshaded part here. Okay, you're going to figure out the addition fact for this ruler. So how many inches long is the shaded part here, boys and girls? It ends at the 7. So 7 inches, right? Plus, I figure out the number for the unshaded part. So let's count how many inches long the unshaded part is, starting from here, the first line. So this is 1 inch, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 inches long. So we're adding 7 plus 9. Okay. Now we'll start by counting on from 7 to see how many inches long the ruler is. So this gets 7 going. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 7 plus 9 equals 16. So you're using the ruler as a number line. Okay, let's look at another one. Oh, sorry, here's the ending. Okay, so for this problem here, it doesn't give us the inches by the 15, but it lets us know that the shaded area is 15 inches long. So then you need to figure out how many inches long is the unshaded part. So go ahead and count. Did you count 6 inches? Good. So now you start at 15. This line here is 15. And then you count on. So get 15 going. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. 15 plus 6 equals 21. Good job. Find part 3 in your workbook and touch ruler A. How many centimeters is the shaded part? 18. Now go ahead and write the number for the unshaded part. What's the number for the unshaded part? Did you say 5? Good job. So what number are you going to get going? 18. Get 18 going and count on 5 more. And how many centimeters long is ruler A? It's 23 centimeters long. Good job. Right, make sure you have 23 in the box for A. Everybody read the fact for ruler A. 18 plus 5 equals 23. Touch ruler B. How many centimeters is the shaded part? 28. Write the number for the unshaded part. What's the number for the unshaded part? 4. Good. Touch the end of the shaded part. What number are you going to get going? 28. Get 28 going and count on 4 more. So it goes 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. How many centimeters long is ruler B? 32. Make sure you write 32 in the box. And everyone read the statement. 28 plus 4 equals 32. Good job. And we are going to do one more part here today. So go ahead and find part 4 in your workbook. And we're going to do a timed practice here with small numbers of 9 or 10. So these problems are for families with a small number of 9 or 10. You're going to say the fact for each problem in the first column first. So your pencils are down, okay? So problem A, 7 plus 9. Say the fact. 7 plus 9 equals 16. Good. Problem B, 14 minus 4. Say the fact. 14 minus 4 equals 10. Problem C, 12 minus 2. Say the fact. 12 minus 2 equals 10. D, 9 plus 6. Say the fact. 9 plus 6 equals 15. E, 16 minus 6. Say the fact. 16 minus 6 equals 10. F, 16 minus 7. Say the fact. 16 minus 7 equals 9. G, 14 minus 5. Say the fact. 14 minus 5 equals 9. H, 5 plus 9. Say the fact. 5 plus 9 equals 14. I, 15 minus 5. Say the fact. 15 minus 5 equals 10. And J, 12 minus 3. Say the fact. 12 minus 3 equals 9. Okay, boys and girls, you're going to have 80 seconds to answer all the questions. Okay? Put your pencil on problem A and begin. Okay, boys and girls, that is time. Go ahead and pause the video at this point and finish your problems if you did not get a chance to finish them. And we're going to go over the answers. So problem A, 7 plus 9 equals 16. B, 14 minus 4 equals 10. C, 12 minus 2 equals 10. D, 9 plus 6 equals 15. E, 16 minus 6 equals 10. F, 16 minus 7 equals 9. G, 14 minus 5 equals 9. H, 5 plus 9 equals 14. I, 15 minus 5 equals 10. J, 12 minus 3 equals 9. K, 5 plus 9 equals 14. L, 9 plus 6 equals 15. M, 15 minus 6 equals 9. N, 14 minus 5 equals 9. O, 6 plus 9 equals 15. P, 14 minus 4 equals 10. Q, 15 minus 5 equals 10. R, 7 plus 9 equals 16. S, 9 plus 5 equals 4. And T, 16 minus 7 equals 9. Boys and girls, go ahead and write the number that you have wrong in the box. If you got 0, 1, or 2, you did great. If you were not able to finish in the given time, or if you got more than 2, keep practicing on your addition facts. You guys did a good job today. Have a great day. Bye.